Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of the 2026 BMW X7, the latest iteration of BMW's flagship luxury SUV. This model has undergone some impressive updates, combining elegance, power, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly SUV with premium comfort or a high-performance machine that commands the road, the new X7 delivers on all fronts. Starting with the exterior, BMW has given the 2026 X7 a bold and sophisticated look. The front grille remains large, but it now features an adaptive lighting system integrated into the kidney-shaped design, making it more refined than ever. The sleek laser headlights provide enhanced visibility, while the sculpted hood and aerodynamic lines give the SUV a powerful presence. The side profile is accentuated by 22-inch alloy wheels, and the flush door handles add to the modern aesthetics. At the rear, the LED taillights have been redesigned with a slimmer, more connected appearance, and the quad exhaust tips hint at the X7's sporty character. The overall look is a perfect balance between luxury and performance, ensuring that the X7 turns heads wherever it goes. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that exudes opulence and state-of-the-art technology. The interior is wrapped in premium materials, with options like merino leather, open-pore wood, and carbon fiber accents. The redesigned dashboard houses BMW's next-generation curved display, which seamlessly integrates the digital instrument cluster and the massive infotainment touchscreen. The latest iDrive system offers improved voice commands, gesture controls, and AI-powered assistance for a personalized driving experience. Ambient lighting with customizable colors enhances the luxurious feel, while the panoramic Sky Lounge LED roof creates a serene atmosphere. The seats are not only heated and ventilated but also come with a massage function, ensuring maximum comfort on long drives. Passengers in the second and third rows are treated to generous space, and the optional captain's chairs elevate the experience further. With an upgraded Bowers & Wilkins 3D surround sound system, every journey becomes an immersive experience. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW X7 comes with multiple powertrain options, catering to different driving preferences. The base model features a turbocharged inline-six engine producing around 400 horsepower, while the more powerful V8 variant boasts over 550 horsepower, thanks to BMW's latest M-Tune technology. For those seeking electrification, BMW offers a plug-in hybrid variant, combining efficiency with performance. The new 8-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth gear shifts, and the advanced xDrive all-wheel drive system provides exceptional handling in all conditions. With air suspension as standard, the ride quality is plush, effortlessly absorbing road imperfections. When it comes to performance, the X7 accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in just under 4.5 seconds in its most powerful configuration, making it one of the quickest luxury SUVs in its class. The various drive modes allow you to switch between comfort, sport, and off-road settings, adapting to different driving scenarios. As for pricing, the 2026 BMW X7 starts at around $85,000 for the base model, while the V8-powered variant pushes the price above $110,000. The plug-in hybrid version falls in between, offering a balance of power and efficiency. Fully loaded with premium options, the price can exceed $130,000. While it's a significant investment, the X7 justifies its cost with its unmatched blend of luxury, performance, and technology. Overall, the 2026 BMW X7 remains a top contender in the full-size luxury SUV segment. With its striking design, cutting-edge interior, powerful performance, and a range of customization options, it offers everything a discerning buyer could want. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly SUV or a high-performance luxury cruiser, the X7 is a standout choice. What do you think about the new BMW? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.